Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is NUR'IZZATI and I will present for the introduction. The problem is the rapid urbanization has caused a massive spike in daily waste. The main issue is poor at waste separation at the source of mixing paper, plastic, and general waste materials together, which clogs landfills and harm the environment. The solution is an AI-powered sorting system using Google Teachable Machine. It uses a computer vision to classify waste in real time without requiring heavy or expensive equipment. There are three categories, which is paper, plastic, and general waste. The objective is to develop an automated waste classification system using computer vision via Google Teachable Machine. Next, to classify waste in real time into three categories, which is plastic, paper, and general waste. Lastly, to provide a low hardware, cost-effective AI solution for efficient waste segregation.
Next, we move on to the framework process. First, the system captures high-resolution live image and detects the waste as soon as it enters the intake chute. Next, it prepares the data by auto-cropping and resizing the image to 224 times 224 pixels, ensuring it's perfectly compatible with our model. Then, the system classifies the material in real time using a trained convolutional neural network or CNN. After that, it predicts the material type, which is paper, plastic, or general waste, by selecting the class with the highest confidence probability. Finally, the system sorts the waste by triggering mechanical flaps to drop it into the correct bin. That's how we make recycling smarter and easier.
I will explain the methodology used in our project. The methodology of this project consists of four main stages, namely data collection, data preparation, model training, and model testing. These stages were carried out to develop a waste classification system using Google's Teachable Machine and computer vision technology. The first stage is data collection. In this stage, images of waste materials were collected and categorized into three different classes, which are plastic, paper, and general waste. Various images were gathered to ensure that the dataset contained sufficient examples for the machine learning model. The quality and variety of the collected image are important because they directly affect the performance and accuracy of the classification system. The second stage is data preparation. After collecting the image, they were organized according to their respective categories. Each image was reviewed carefully to ensure that it accurately represented the correct waste type. This process helps improve the quality of the dataset and reduce the possibility of classification errors during the training process. The third stage is model training. The prepared dataset was uploaded to Google's Teachable Machine platform. The platform was then used to train an image classification model. During training, the system learned the visual characteristics of each waste category, such as shape, color, and texture. Through this process, the model became capable of distinguishing between plastic waste, paper waste, and general waste. The final stage is model testing. Once the training process was completed, the model was tested using webcam input. The system analyzed the captured image and generated prediction results with confidence percentage for each category. The category with the highest confidence score was selected as the final classification result. This testing process was conducted to evaluate the effectiveness and accuracy of the trained model in classifying waste materials correctly.
Next, for project demonstration, we have two versions, which is webcam version and uploaded file version. For the webcam version, you can show the items to your camera and it will detect the materials and show you the output of the materials. For example, as you can see for the case 1, the picture shows the water bottle and the output say it was a plastic. For case 2, it shows a paper and the output say it's a paper. Next, for the uploaded file version, you can upload a picture or a file from your laptop or a computer, then it will classify to you which category for the items. For number one, it shows a plastic food container and the output say plastic. For the second one, it's a calendar paper and the output say paper. And the last one is a cheap plastic bag and the output say is a general waste.
Now, moving on to our results and observations. Our system was tested using both file uploads and real-time webcam feeds to simulate actual community use. As you can see from these screenshots, the model is highly effective. For example, our plastic water bottles and food containers were identified with 100% confidence. Similarly, our paper-based tests like these advertisements and our general voice tests like these cookie wrappers also hit 100% confidence. These results show that our CNN model successfully learned the visual DNA of a keyword category, specifically by mapping features like surface texture and shape. While we achieve excellent performance, we also note that performance can fluctuate if the item is heavily crumpled or obscure. This insight is valuable because it shows where we need to diversify our dataset in the future to handle even more complex waste conditions.
In conclusion, SmartBin was successfully developed using AI image classification with teachable machine. The system is able to classify waste into three categories, which are plastic, paper, and general waste using image uploads or webcam input. The project used CNN through mobile net transfer learning to recognize and classify waste based on image. Overall, SmartBin demonstrates how AI can support better waste segregation and promote recycling awareness. For future improvements, more waste category and a larger dataset can be added to further improve the model's accuracy and performance. We hope this project can contribute to raising environmental awareness and inspire further innovations in smart recycling solutions. Thank you for your time and attention. We appreciate your support and hope you enjoyed our presentation.